Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of travel cards, specifically YouTrip. But before you book that dream vacation, a crucial question arises: is YouTrip a debit card or a prepaid card? Knowing the difference can save you money and headaches on your next adventure. Now, picture this: you're strolling down the vibrant streets of Tokyo, eyes wide with wonder. But then, bam! Your card gets declined at a cute little ramen shop. Talk about a travel buzzkill, right? So, understanding YouTrip's functionality can prevent such a disaster. The great debit versus prepaid card debate. Let's break it down. Debit cards are like an extension of your checking account. Every purchase you make gets deducted directly from your linked bank balance. Think of it as a real-time window into your spending. Prepaid cards, on the other hand, function more like gift cards. You load them up with a specific amount of money beforehand, and that's your spending limit. It's a great way to budget and avoid overspending on a wild travel night. So, where does YouTrip stand? Here's the exciting part: YouTrip is neither a pure debit nor a pure prepaid card. It operates in a unique space called a multi-currency travel card. This means it combines the benefits of both worlds. You can top up your YouTrip card with your preferred currency, similar to a prepaid card. But, unlike a prepaid card, YouTrip lets you hold and manage multiple currencies at once. This eliminates the need for multiple cards for different currencies, making travel budgeting a breeze. Think of it like a travel-savvy chameleon, adapting to your needs. Beyond the basics, YouTrip's perks. But YouTrip's magic doesn't stop there. Here are some additional features that make it a strong contender in the travel card arena. Competitive exchange rates. YouTrip boasts competitive exchange rates, saving you from those pesky hidden fees traditional banks sometimes charge. Contactless payments. Say goodbye to fumbling for cash. YouTrip allows contactless payments for a smooth and speedy checkout experience. Worldwide acceptance. YouTrip is widely accepted by merchants globally, making it a reliable companion for your adventures. Is YouTrip the perfect travel card? Not quite. While YouTrip offers a ton of benefits, it's important to be aware of potential drawbacks. Limited features. Compared to some debit cards, YouTrip might lack features like ATM withdrawals or bill payments. Regional restrictions. YouTrip's availability is currently limited to specific regions like Southeast Asia. The verdict: YouTrip a travel buddy worth considering. So, is YouTrip a perfect fit for everyone? Not necessarily. But for travelers seeking a convenient, multi-currency card with competitive rates, YouTrip is definitely worth considering. Remember, choosing the right travel card depends on your individual needs and travel style. Do your research, compare options, and pick the card that best complements your wanderlust. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.